so peaceful out here.
Blimey! Out here in the back 40 of the Indian jungle. Dumbos let us deep into enemy territory.
Back with me. God damn. There we go.
Yeah, definitely ditching the car for an elephant in future generations. Very eco-friendly.
How fast can an elephant run?
Oh my gosh, his back is so hairy. That's awesome.
I didn't.
This is so cool.
Look at that butterfly. Chilling right there.
You know the tiger reserve.
Neo.
20 of them.
Or only found on the tiger reserve.
Did you notice that?
Yeah, I did. It's okay, I fell asleep.
I want to like scratch his head
But
for
he
him.
was looking at me the
I bet
whole
it feels
time,
good
and he started,
universally.
like talking to me.
Yeah,
Basically,
I understand.
so I could not fall asleep. I was like, I'm not gonna fall asleep. I'm not gonna be that dude.
Keep it up, big dog. Doing work.